Hi all, welcome back. I am Java here. We know that to the Streamlit application we are using for building machine learning application, building and deployment machine learning applications, and we have seen many other videos features of the Streamlit. Today I am here to showcase one of the personal usage of the Streamlit application. Like I have created a website for my daughter birthday invitation, and I have used many services to build this one, like couple of integrations and a couple of features of the Streamlit, how differently we can use it. That part I will be showing. So let's begin with the application demo, so that then I will walk you through the code. So here when we see this is a local application, I will show you where I have hosted this one with the Streamlit. So see here that I have created a website, simple website, and here I added my data birthday details, and also this is actually I have given the title because before that it was different. We are welcoming, and because since this is already over the function, we have put the thank you over here, and I have integrated Google Map services. Generally we will not see directly the map over here, since I have integrated the Google Map services by creating the Google project in my Gmail account, and I have taken the same here. The Streamlit allows us to integrate it. So that part also I will show you how I have integrated this one, and also I will show you like how the invite, like this is the invitation I have created. Like here the guest can specify their names and whether they are attending or not attending, they can create like how many adults they are coming. They can use these features of Streamlit, and the kids, number of kids, whether they prefer veg or non-veg, they can select. And also they can add comments like, okay, we are coming late, like happy birthday in advance, they can wish and all these things. And also they can create an email so that they are subscribing. We will be informing the who are subscribed via email, and even the notification will be sent once registration is done. So this part I will be demoing. Also the gallery part I will be taken up lastly, so that that is a good feature. Like there are 4 different views I just wanted to show in the gallery. So first let's begin with the home. So how did we integrate the Google Map services? Here the integration feature is the map services. The rest all this gallery, the album, like you can see that the photos are just every 5 seconds I have given, and it will be picking from the gallery folder, and it will be showing that one, the hotel address and the integration. So to integrate the map, we need to enable the Google API services. First we need to create the project. I created it as 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐬. This is the project I have created on console.cloud.google.com. So here we need to enable. There are many features Google provides, and the features what I required for this to enable on the Streamlit is like any JavaScript application. Basically, it is not only Streamlit. This is in general. Google does not know where I am integrating this, but it is allowing us to feature to enable the Google mapping directions, to provide the directions. One is map embedded API, and even map JavaScript API enabled, geolocation API enabled, and geocoding API enabled. So here even places API enabled. This is just to get an API. If I provide the place information, it gives the more information around that, and the place API. Both these are direction API. So these are the few services which I enabled under the APIs and services project. And the keys and credential I have created here. Anyway it will not show, but I have created keys and the key which is I created, the API key, the same thing I am using there to get this feature integrated here. So how did I integrate in the code? Like so it is very simple in the Streamlit. If I go here, so the coordinates, getting the coordinates, and see here, this is the Google map via iframe. I have integrated my Google map, so that this is the API location, and the latitude and longitude of the address I have given here, and here the API key we need to pass. This I have stored in the the secret key. So secrets.yaml contains few things that I will show you at the end. The one is the Google secret, Other one is Gmail username and password, and if any other credential like to whom we are sending, from where we are sending the email details, the secret.terminal will be containing. The config.terminal is generic. Here you can create the theme for your application and how the server and other things will behave where we will configure. But secret.terminal generally we pass any secrets which we don't want to check into the code, we will be passing. And we read generally from the environmental variable. That part I will show you. So here the project structure is the gallery contains few of the images and others also contains few of the images. I will show you why differently I have created those things, and also few photos which in the home page you see the 3 babies photos are jumping over. These things we can see from the photos folder. So hope you got it how I have integrated the Google Map services. First we created the project in the Google Cloud, created the API for that one, API key for that one, and then we enabled few services in the API services. You can also go and search how to enable the Google Map services for API. The first link or this link, anything, use API keys to enable that, you can go ahead and it will navigate us to the same location. Okay. So the other features what I have integrated is the email. Like for any invitation, for example, Streamlit. So, okay, for example, my name is Streamlit. I am attending this event, and around 2 adults, 3 kids will be attending. So, out of which 4 are non-veg or 1 switch, you can say that. And here we can say happy birthday 𝐒𝐞𝐬𝐿, my daughter name. And optional email, here we can give optional email, but I will give my only Java in Dubai at gmail.com. So now when I submit this one, there will be 2 emails will be going from my account, and I just wanted to show you one thing. So I am maintaining the guest.csv here. Here it is empty for now. Now once I submit, you will see how this file will be updated. So I am going to submit this one. So, and also I will show in my email what are all the emails I received. So now you can see the Streamlit, and they are coming 2 adults, 3 kids, 4 non-veg, 1 veg, and the comments what they enter, it is captured here. And this will not display because this PI information, the other guests who are attending and all, I am not displaying on my website. But where I can see is in my personal email. If I go here, I received 2 emails. One is 2 kids. See, if you see this one, the Streamlit has submitted happy birthday guest update, adults 2, kids 3, non-veg 4, veg 1. So now I also get the count, and also get the who has submitted, and I also get to what time they submitted. And or I also receiving the guests who are submitted, they will be receiving thank you for your registration, thank you guest for registering to 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐦. This email immediately that will be sent to the users like who are registered. Like let me show you one more, then I will send one more email. So I am submitting, I am Java, I am attending, or just say I am not attending. So I am attending. So my 4, and here 0 kids, 4 adults, 4 non, 0. This thing will be 0. So here happy birthday 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐦 will come around 10 p.m. So I just write my comments. I give the same email because I need to receive and show here. Submit. So I have submitted. Now what we can do, we go here to the email, refresh, I received. Earlier when you see here, Streamlit submitted 2 adults and 3 kids. Now it becomes 6 because who are added, like here Java is coming to 4 adults, total it becomes 6. So that I need not to fully open my email and check what is the count. So why I did this, because to the hotel I have to give in advance in at least an approximate number, like to arrange the food, so that this feature, the email integration, the Gmail integration in the Streamlit helps me to create this to save the full. Like basically, I came to know in advance how many are coming, how many kits are coming, because this kits count also important to give the return gift, so that we will not invest more or we will not bring less. Other kids will not get it like that. So we come to know the kids count. We also come to know the adults count, and here we also come to know how many veg and non-veg details, so that this helps really a lot to properly plan our my data birthday. So the registration notification sent. The same thing, the same email we sending before the event date to the users who are registered in our email. They will receive in the email, so that at least it notify via email, because there is no other option. Either I personally manually go and do the WhatsApp request, because you registered do come like that, and also who are registered with email, they will be getting the notification. Now the final feature, like how did I do this invitation, that part of the code also I will show you. So here you see that the second user is entered. So now go to the end. This is what the email notification, this is the tab 1, and here I receive adults count, email and everything. And also if you see, I'm creating an HTML to make it the body, the count, the table count, and then I'm sending an email with adult count, kids count, non-veg count and all this. When it comes here, I'm reading all the secrets from the TAML file, and then I'm constructing the subject of the email, the total adults count, kids count, like this, and then sending an email. This is SMTP, so that here I log into the server Gmail, like username and password, and the remaining is same. So in the other case of the guest receiving the email, whoever enters the email I am getting here, and thank you for guest for registering to 𝐒𝐶 birthday, and also the body the email will be sending constructed here itself. So here, thank you for your registration. It's an H1 tag. That's why we see in the bold whatever the email they received, they see in the bold. Okay, so this is the form, and now we will jump into the gallery view. So in the gallery view, I created 4 different options. Oh, this is my landscape, like how Streamlit can be extensively used to display the images. So the images, when they are taken in the functions, they can take in 2 views. One is the landscape view, other one is portrait view. But when we use both the options together, you will not see this uniformity, because one image you will see bigger, other image you will see the shorter. That's why I categorized these landscape images as this, and now you can go ahead and if you want to view it, and you can go ahead and view this full images, so that you will get a full picture. And also you can save this, because I save buttons are disabled, but generally the browser feature is still there. You can go ahead and save the images. Okay, now this is the landscape view. Now if I go to the portrait view, these images are, the heights are different. Like if I put this image and the landscape image, you will see the height difference and it won't look good uniformity. So here if you see these images, you will see all good, arranged well, and it looks like a gallery, actual gallery. So that's the beauty of Streamlit. Now you can see, if you want to see this image, you can expand and see this image, otherwise it's fine. Now we enable the one auto feature, like in the landscape view, how the auto will work. So now every 5 seconds the image will be, this is also one of the feature, like every 5 seconds the image will be auto moving. We also can enable the next and the previous buttons, and but in JavaScript generally we will be having the right arrow and left arrow here to navigate, but in Streamlit it is not there as of now. But the button can be added here, that won't looks good, that's why I do not add that one. So for now I am auto incrementing, and I am looping, just looping in the while loop till I switch the tab. It will be going, and it will every 5 seconds the image will be changing. Similarly the portrait view, like this also like auto view. So the images in the portrait mode, those will be every 5 seconds it will be changing. So at an overall, when you see this application, like whatever the Streamlit I was using extensively in my office for machine learning development, Now the same thing I used and developed this website for my daughter birthday invitation, and it looks pretty cool. I just wanted to, before ending my talk, I will just show you how it looks good in the mobile views or tablet view. Like for example, just say I am using the mobile iPhone. Okay. So see the who are using the mobile, the iPhone or anything, they looks this one. Now if they click on this map, it takes directly to the direction. It's like they directly if they are driving or if they want to see, they need not to type it. Like they can directly click on. You see the hotel direct here, and they can directly start navigation. So this the beauty. So in the mobile, in mobile or in web, both it will work. That's how the geocode, the Google API services will work. And now you can see that the complete feature here. Now the invitation also, if you see, the user will enter. They need not to go to laptop. It's a user friendly and responsive. And now they can enter and submit here. So like I can just put a mobile view, just a demo purpose, one, two, hi. Mm, so this one I can submit it. Let's go back, refresh. I received the email 1 1, earlier 6, you can see the 7, 3 kids, 3 1 1. So the registration email also sent back to the user. So in mobile view also it works. Now look at the gallery. The gallery is, so this is how the images looks. Now you can see that the complete images here, pretty cool. And even in the portrait mode, the images you can see well in the mobile itself. And as well as the auto view also will work, and portrait mode also will work. So every 5 seconds the images will be changing. Okay, so as you see, the gallery view or portrait view, all this feature really help, and in all like mobile tab, everything it will work like without any. So like iPad mini, this looks good. This is how it will look in the landscape. So yeah, this is it. Thank you. Like for example, you can also see this app is deployed on the Streamlit as well. The entire code is in the GitHub. If you want to try any invitation for your beta and all, you can try that. And only here you can also see 𝐒𝐴𝐳.Streamlit app. This is hosted on Streamlit app as well. And so you can go and try this application. If you have any technical questions or if you have any doubts, you can leave me a message on my LinkedIn or on my email javaindubai@gmail.com. I'm happy to help. Thank you, Streamlit. Thank you for these nice features. I'm really loving it. Thank you.